Hi there, students. Flesh. Flesh. Okay, this is flesh. It's the part between the skin and the bone. Yeah, it's the meat and the fat of somebody's body. For example, vegetarians do not eat animal flesh. They don't eat the flesh of animals. You could also use this to refer to the flesh of a fruit. Yeah, the soft part inside a fruit or a vegetable. So I cut the fruit open and the flesh was white. Yeah, the flesh of a peach is this orange colour. Yeah, the flesh. It's like the bit inside. Then we can also use flesh to talk about your body, not your mind or your soul. So the spirit is willing, I really want to do this, but the flesh is weak. The body is weak. Yeah? The pleasures of the flesh. This talks about sex or maybe eating as well, but I think most commonly pleasures of the flesh. Okay, so flesh, this is soft tissue. So if you go to hospital and they take an x-ray, the x-rays go right through the flesh because it's soft. Yeah, it's the soft outside part of it. Okay, flesh. For example, the bare skin. So yeah, I enjoyed going to the nudist beach and looking at all the flesh that was on display. Bare arms, bare legs, bare bodies. Yeah. So flesh. Yeah. It had been a really hot sunny day and I had been burnt, where I was sunburnt everywhere that there was exposed flesh. Okay, we got quite a few idioms with flesh as well. So yeah, well, this boy is all skin and bones. There's no flesh on him. He's terribly fat, thin. Or to go the way of all flesh, to die. So all flesh eventually dies. You could meet somebody in the flesh. You could meet them face to face. Yeah. So they decided to meet in the flesh. So I know lots of people all around the world, but almost none of them have I ever met in the flesh. I think you could also use this idea of in the flesh to talk about something in its normal wild state. So it's wonderful dreaming about the beauties of the Amazon jungle, but it's even more interesting if you meet it in the flesh. You go there in the flesh. Something could make your flesh crawl, or something that could make your skin crawl. Ugh. Yeah, the idea of this really makes my flesh crawl. Yeah, this is a child of my flesh. This is my own child. Yeah, you could flesh something out. Yeah, to put more detail to it. So this plan, it looks very interesting, but you need to flesh it out. You need to give more details. Yeah, you need to explain it in more detail. Sins of the flesh. This is definitely talking about sex. Okay, so flesh. You could also have a colour, flesh colour. So a pair of flesh-coloured tights. Yeah. Okay, so flesh. The spirit is willing, but the flesh is weak. Yeah, the body can't do it. The human mortal part can't do it, but the spirit would love to do it. Okay, so flesh. Meat. Yeah. The flesh of a fruit, the flesh of an animal. animal flesh, and then bare flesh. So here you can see bare flesh. Yeah. The mortal body of a human being. Yeah. Yeah. So um, uh, the flesh is weak, as the example I've given various times. Okay, so yeah, the flesh, the body, the meat, um, the the muscle, the tissue, yeah, and then the physical nature of something, yeah, sins of the flesh. Or you could cut the flesh from the cherries and throw away the stone. You could flesh something out, you develop it, you meet somebody in the flesh, in reality. Yeah, you could put flesh on something. This is like to flesh out. This is my own flesh and blood. Yeah, a member of my family. Okay. So flesh. Give it. I'm going to give it a 5 in formality. Use it absolutely anywhere. And then as to origin, okay, it comes from Proto-Germanic fleiski, meaning flesh, which it comes from Proto-Indo-European plek, meaning to tear off or to peel off. So you peel off the flesh, I guess. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Flesh.